Hey guys, it's Craig with TQ Financial Services, and we're trying to give you a stimulus and child tax credit update. Now that things look like they're progressing to where it's actually going to materialize, we figure we'd go through the numbers with you, see how it's going to affect your 2020 taxes, if it does at all, or 2021, how you guys can get the money, when it's going to come, what happens with your income levels, etc. So let's try to give as much as I'm going to try to give you as much information as possible in this video. Don't forget to like it, share it, all the rest of that stuff. And I'm saying that now because other people are going to ask the question. It'll be really nice if you get them that information so we don't have to do this with 900 phone calls. So let's go at it. First of all, the bill is coming through. God's willing, if everything progresses normally, the money should start being available to you in July, halfway through the year, right? Makes sense. Supposed to roll for an entire year. So July is the time frame in which this money is supposed to come out to you. The money, how's it come? It's going to either be coming to you monthly in a check, or you can choose to defer and push the money to actually be used on your actual taxes. Key, we'll get back to that. Finance, how much does it count? So each kid 0 to 5 years old is going to be able to give or bring the household approximately $3,600. If the child is 6 and over, up to age 17, I repeat 17, not 16 like it used to be, 17, they will give you $3,000. It's important for you guys, and we talked again in the beginning this, I said, hey, it's important for you to figure out the deferring portion if you want to defer it or if you want to accept it now. And we're going to give you a reason why. If you guys, and this was our worry, to be honest with you, this is if you are a couple, or a person who your tax return solely depends on your child tax credits or earned income credits, this might be a problem for you. If you choose to accept the money throughout the year for whatever reason, and you go to file your taxes, and your child was the one providing you with all your refund money, that means you will be at zero or you could owe money. So it's important for you guys to pay attention to your 20 if you filed it, or 19. And again, this is all things being equal, basic rule of economics. If it perfectly stays the same, your income, how much you take out, all your deductions, etc., and you're that person that was close or in the threshold of owing, and the child saved you, 9 out of 10, if you take that money now, you're going to owe. So you have to figure out, should I take it or should I defer? That's something you and your tax provider, tax preparer, accountant, CPA, whatever, is supposed to or should. You guys should be talking to that person and figuring out what's the best route for you. Again, like we said, it's going to be happening in July, and that's a wonderful thing. Yay, money's coming. It does not affect your 2020 taxes. July, the purpose of July is because tax season ends April 15th. You guys need to file, right? Because the money's going to start to be based on what your filing is. So if you've already filed, hopefully you should have, because the deadline will be there, and they're expecting the majority of people who are in those kind of income brackets, which we're going to get to file, then it should not bother anything. You guys should just be getting more money. Stimulus, same thing. Stimulus is going to be rolling out a little bit faster, of course, because you're worried about that. Yeah, the $1,400 is going to come, and that's going to start being processed. The way it seems is if he signs the bill and everything goes through, the next couple days after that, it usually ramps out really fast. Income levels for the child tax credit. Single people, $75,000, double that for the married filing jointly at $150,000. And then head of household, you're at $112,500. So if you fall into those guidelines, then you should be good to go for almost everything. You should be fine. So stimulus, you should be getting that. Child tax credit, you should be getting that. But watch how it affects you come filing season, right? Please make sure. If you have any questions, 800-413-1456. Follow us on all our social media platforms. We hope this was helpful. Again, like I said in the beginning, like, share it, send it to people. Make sure you get the information out there. Stay abreast of what's going on. If there's any more updates, I'm sure we'll be able to give it to you. You guys have a great one. Oh, wait. Refer. Still taxing. We got to make some money, man. I got to get some money to buy Liam toys. He did a video for you guys earlier. If I edit something, I'll probably put it up for you guys. Have a great one. Bye.